In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a separate SSID or split SSID for your D-Link Aquila Pro AI mesh router. In the previous tutorial, we have set up the M60 routers with a mesh extender as shown over here. And there is only one SSID, but it is beaconing two frequencies, 2.4 and 5 GHz. So now we're going to show you how to split this into two SSID such that we have a separate SSID for a 2.4 GHz network and a 5 GHz network. So let's begin. Open a browser and key in the following URL. Now, this is the default router settings, and this URL can be found on the label at the bottom of your primary router. So for convenience, we have placed it over here. So key in the URL and continue. If you get this prompt, simply go to Advanced and proceed. You will need to key in the admin password. And again, the admin password can be found on the label. Technically, it is the Wi-Fi password if you have not changed during the setup. So let's key in the admin password. Let's log in. So this is the web page for your Aquila Pro AI M60 router, and you can see the network topology. In order to create a separate SSID or split the SSID, go to Settings and select Wireless. So under Wireless, you need to disable the Smart Connect. Let's do that. And you can see once the Smart Connect is disabled, it will display a 2.4 and 5 GHz network. So let's change the Wi-Fi name or SSID to 2.4 GHz, and for 5 GHz, we'll call it the 5 GHz. For the password, we'll leave it as is. Let's save. The new settings have been saved. So this is how you create a split SSID for your D-Link Aquila Pro AI M60 mesh router.